So this actually comes with 3 different settings. So you can do, you can turn it on setting 1, which is low, and then setting 2, which is a little higher, and then setting 3, which is the highest. Awesome. And so I'm gonna just demonstrate this without the vibration because of the sound, but I'm probably gonna put it on 3 because my hip is in so much pain. Like I'm always got constant pain going on my hips. So the way that you're gonna roll it out is you're just gonna find the muscle, and I try to look for the long part of the muscle. So like here is the iliotibial band or the IT band. That can be tight on a lot of people. So that's one of the places I really like to roll out. So you're just gonna go ahead and get up on that roller like this and go ahead and lean on it. Oh, already. Whoo! I cannot wait to use this with the vibration. Okay, and then you're just gonna roll it back and forth, just nice and easy like that. Another one, if you wanna get your glutes, you can just absolutely just sit directly on this guy. So just sit directly on this and roll yourself back. So you can actually lay back. Oh. And you can just feel that muscle start to release, and you can sit it, you can use it, you can roll back and forth, or you can find a spot that kind of feels good and move your muscle on that spot. So that's another way that you can do it. So this, again, it's the hip for me that's getting it. And so releasing that glute with the hip can be quite beneficial. So there's a couple different ways you can roll. You can also roll your arms, you can roll your belly, you can roll your sides. So if you want to do a little bit on the side, you can roll on the sides. That kind of starts to get some of the abdominals, or you can do your shoulder, so you can get it right in there on the shoulder. Oh, I just did a hard workout. So this is awesome. You guys, highly recommend using these if you're working out, especially, or if you've got soreness or anytime. Foam rollers are awesome, and the vibration makes it even more awesome because it's really about releasing the fascia. Awesome sauce.